Want 2 TB of Google Drive storage free? With Gemini Advanced, you can officially upgrade your storage in just a few clicks. 100% verified, no hacks, no tricks. Stay tuned and I'll show you exactly how to claim it step by step. So here you can see in my account, I can show you here we got 2 TB of storage, which is completely free to use. If you're a student, you can claim this offer immediately. So let's get started. For college student, get Gemini upgrade for 1 year for free. So basic details is required here. So I'll walk you through step by step process what you need to do exactly in order to get this deal. So you can see the basic account, you get 15 GB of storage, which is not enough for a students or a professionals. So you need to pay money. But again, Google has come up with a good deal. You can use it. So let's type in Google Gemini AI Advanced. Search it. Click the above search. You need to click get offer here in order to claim this offer. This offer is available only for college students and university students. So you can avail this offer with 2 TB of free of charge storage. Click it. Scroll it down. You can see it's mentioned clearly university student get Gemini in Google AI Pro for 1 year for free. Click verify eligibility. Over here you will redirect it to a particular form. You need to fill it out. Country, you need to select your respective country where you're belonging. Click it. Click the school name. Okay, you can search it here. This is being fetched directly from the Google database itself. Type your first name, last name, date of birth, exactly the same date of birth you need to type as per your ID card, which you need to upload in the next step. Type it your correct mail ID in order to get the verification mail. Click verify student status. Over here you need to upload couple of documents, either your school ID card with expiration date or class schedule, tuition receipt. File must be JPG, JPEG, PNG and PDF format. Over here I'm uploading the ID card. As a students, you can upload the front portion and the back portion of your ID card. It must be clearly mention the details, the class when it's going to expire, your durations of your stay in your college or university. Click submit. Once you submit it, it will get verified within few minutes. So it will be a straightforward process. So you need to wait. Let's proceed this document submit. So it's showing processing, right? So let's wait until this page get finished and it will bring you a pop-up message where it will show it's being verified. So it's showing you have been verified. So get Google AI Pro, click this button. Over here you will redirect it to get student offer. Click it. Over here you need to make the payment of rupees 2. In India, so it will get deducted in rupees 2, but this is the subscriptions, like you need to pay after this offer get expired. So you need to add the payment details. If you don't add it, this offer won't get activated. You are not going to charge a single subscription from your bank account, right? Either you pay through credit card or debit card. I'm using the credit card here in order to activate this offer. This offer will get activated and you can cancel it anytime before the expiration of the subscriptions. Subscriptions will get effect after 1 year. You need to pay, not before that, right? So basic details, the card name, expiry date, CSV number, these are the various details is required, and the location, the country and the city. Basic details is required. Click save. Once it gets saved, Depending upon your card issuer, they will verify you through the OTP for this particular transaction. The transaction which it will get deducted from your bank account is rupees 2 as per the INR currency I've selected here. It depends upon your country where the currency code is different. So basically you will get charge of minimal for testing purpose. They will charge you because this will be a auto debit going to happen after 1 year the expiration of the subscription. For 1 year you can use this service for free of cost, so you're not paying any single money. So click save. Over here you can see upcoming charges. For 12 months free trial is giving, and the charge is going to start from effective from September 13 2026. Okay, click subscribe. You being subscribed, right? Close it. This will give you to get started with the Gemini Pro. You can see the Pro is being shown in your icon. Basically from your profile itself is visible clearly, so you can do whatever you want here. You can create images, you can create video, you can research, you can do a lot of things. This is totally advanced features of Gemini from the basic feature. Okay, you can create your video as well with a single prompt. So the mail which I have received here, you can see Get Google AI Pro is already being activated in my account. You can see I'll check the storage here whether it's being 2 TB is being assigned or not. Let's check it out. Yes, it's clearly shown 2 TB usage. So you can upload and you don't need to worry about your storage. For 1 year you can have it for free of cost. You're not going to pay any money. 2 TB is usable, right? Now in order to check what are the various subscription plan is Google is providing, you can check it out from here from the managed sections. Change your Google One plan. Either you can upgrade it if you want, you're not having sufficient space, you can upgrade it from 2 TB, okay, 5 TB, 10 TB, 20 TB, depending upon your usage. So this is the upgrade sections, but obviously you need to pay the amount of money is showing here, it depending upon your subscription. We have opt for yearly. Over here you can switch to monthly payment also, but right now we have focused for 1 year free trial, which is enough for you for your semester. The annual payment you can see here, the charges. We can downgrade from TV. Okay, if you want you can downgrade it. Click it, yes, continue if you want to downgrade it. So let's go back. This is the confirmation mail which I have received from Google itself, and they have clearly mentioned that 2 TB is being assigned to my account. So you can see here the storage. Click the settings. If you want you want to make some changes in the subscriptions, you can cancel it anytime. Click here, manage. So you can see, you can click the cancel subscription. Click it if you want to cancel the subscriptions and you're not going to charge, because if you may forget it, like the subscription period when it's going to hit in your bank account, right, you will get charged. So better you cancel it. And you have to select any reason, so click confirm. See, you can see it's clearly mentioned like it's going to expire in 13th of September 2026. Let's cancel this subscription, or either you keep this subscription. So let's cancel this subscription. The subscription has been cancelled successfully, but you can still use the pro features, and the storage till 1 year is absolutely free, so you're not paying anything.